Once upon a time, in the cold and mysterious lands of the Soviet Union, a strange and secretive experiment was underway. Scientists were working on a top-secret project that would come to be known as the Soviet Zombie Experiment. It might sound like a story straight out of a movie, but this was real. In the mid-20th century, during a time when superpowers like the United States and the Soviet Union were competing fiercely in a race called the Cold War, everyone was looking for the most powerful weapons or the most incredible breakthroughs that could make them stronger. Scientists in the Soviet Union were no exception. They wanted to create something that had never been seen before. The idea was ambitious and a little scary. What if humans could be brought back to life? The notion of reanimating the dead had always captivated human imagination in tales and legends, but now there were real scientists trying to do just that. The experiment started small. Researchers used frogs and chickens to see if they could make their hearts beat again after stopping. Surprisingly, they found some success. But the ultimate goal was to test this on humans, which brought about a lot of fear and ethical questions. The scientist most famously associated with these efforts was Sergey Bryukhonenko. He actually invented a device known as the autojector, which could circulate blood artificially in a body. In one unbelievable demonstration, he seemed to bring a dog's head back to life for a short while. Although the experiment yielded some fascinating results, it also disturbed many people. The idea of creating zombies, or people who were technically alive but potentially lacking the human essence that makes us truly alive, was controversial and alarming. In the end, the Soviet experiment did not create the kind of zombies we see in movies, creatures that roam the streets in search of brains to eat. The project was eventually halted, partly because of ethical concerns and because scientists realized how risky and unpredictable it could be to try bringing people back from the dead. Instead of a zombie apocalypse, the research contributed to valuable advances in medical science.